Welcome back, guys. This is Mrityunjay Raj from Garyawala Ravi, and guys, I'm going to draw something today. Actually, I was kind of bored from everything like PUBG and playing Ludo, so I thought I could draw something. Actually, I have drawn earlier also, but I haven't posted it on YouTube. Actually, I thought that it wouldn't be great to post it on YouTube. That I justified myself and I judged myself that I couldn't post it on YouTube, but at this time right now in a lockdown situation I thought that it could help. I thought that what will happen, let's see. So actually I'm going to draw something with the oil pastels, some permanent markers, pens, pencils, and anything that you will get at home. Literally you will get everything at home. So let's just draw, guys. If you want to draw something, if you have some creativity inside you, you want to make something beautiful, just do it, guys. Literally I could tell you that when you think about anything, just do it, guys, because if you wouldn't start that thing, it wouldn't be done. When you go cycling at first time, you don't know how to drive a cycle, and literally when you start driving, just understand how to drive that cycle. So literally drawing is that thing that when you start doodling, just take a pen, start doodling, and you will find, after some time you will find that you have done something great, you have made something. But that is the creativity inside you. I have just told it earlier that when you think about anything, if you have some creativity inside you, just draw it, guys. That is the thing that is going to help you anytime, and it is quite a thing that would help anytime with you. And you have to draw something just like that. Guys, that is a point of view of any person, that how he is going to use his creativity or use any of his skills. Drawing is a type of skill you could use. So guys, this is a lockdown time, you are free, you are at home, and literally I think, from my opinion, you also are bored from everything else, watching TV, Netflix, anything like that. So guys, I'm going to draw a portrait or a girl uh, sitting a butterfly on his fingertip, and I just thought that I could draw it. So guys, actually I saw a picture somewhere, I don't know, I didn't remember. Actually I saw it on a fingertip, and I thought that I could draw it. Actually, I'm not saying that it is the creativity that have come from my mind, but जस्ट थॉट, कहीं पे मैंने देखा और मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये ड्रॉ कर लूँगा. सो गाइज, दैट इज़ द पॉइंट कि मैंने सोचा कि मैं ड्रॉ कर ही लेता हूँ और आई विल पोस्ट इट ऑन यूट्यूब. सो गाइज, चलते हैं, कुछ ड्रॉ करते हैं, देखते हैं ये कैसा होता है, बकवास होता है, अच्छा होता है. पहले भी मैंने कुछ ड्रॉ किया है एंड आई हैव पोस्टेड इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. एंड अर्लियर व्हेन आई वाज modifying my cycle, I have made some stickers with my own, and that time some people asked me about how I created those stickers. So guys, this is a thing, I just draw something, and that was my skill, that was my creativity, that I created that sticker and cut it out with the cutter that I have bought it from somewhere. And that is the thing, only thing that I have used my creativity in that modification of my bicycle when I was modifying, and you all have liked that video. So guys, just go, let's go and draw something. And you guys, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगता है गाइज, तो प्लीज़ लाइक करो इस वीडियो को, ताकि मैं आगे भी ऐसे वीडियोस पोस्ट कर सकूं. बिकॉज व्हेन यू लाइक सम वीडियो, इससे क्या होता है कि मोटिवेशन मिलता है गाइज कि ये अच्छा लगा लोगों को, तो मैं अगली बार भी पोस्ट कर सकता हूँ. सो गाइज, आई एम ट्राइंग समथिंग एट दिस लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस, प्लीज़ 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 लाइक करना. सब्सक्राइब से मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं, आप करो ना करो वो आपकी मर्जी होती है. आपको पसंद आएगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप सब्सक्राइब कर ही दोगे. लेकिन गाइज, अगर पसंद आता है तो लाइक का बटन दबा दो, चाहे आप जैसे भी दबाओ, आई डोंट केयर, आप सिर्फ दबा दो. और पसंद नहीं आया तो बगल में डिसलाइक का बटन भी होता है, उसे आप दबा सकते हो. काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि अगर ड्राइंग पसंद ना आए तो आप डिसलाइक का भी बटन दबा दो. एंड अगर उस वीडियो से, ड्राइंग वाले वीडियो से आपको कोई चीज़ मुझे पूछना है, तो गाइज कमेंट सेक्शन में आप मुझे कमेंट करें, मैं वहाँ पे बताऊँगा अबाउट दैट ड्राइंग ओनली. कोई और चीज़ के बारे में पता करना है तो आप कमेंट करो, मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम पे उस पर वीडियो बनाऊंगा, या फिर एक लाइव सेशन, लाइव स्ट्रीम मे बी वुड बी देयर, और आप वहाँ पे आप अपने क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो। सो गाइज, पहली बात है कि मैं लाइव सेशन करने की सोच रहा था, बट अगर आपको लाइव सेशन चाहिए यू हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस। लेट्स जस्ट होप 10,000 likes. So guys, this is my drawing book. Actually, I don't use it. Actually, I use it when there is a work in my college. So guys, it's a A2 drawing book, and we are going to use this. It's quite bigger, so it will help us in making a big poster. You could just paste it on your wall and anywhere else where you like, if you go. Okay, so guys, let's just start by opening this. Actually, I have quite used some page. This is a thin paper. After one page you will get one thin paper. So guys, we are going to start it from here. Actually, this is a good pen. No, here is the thin paper, so we are going to use this. No, we are going to this page. So guys, actually kind of thing that we are going to use. So guys, let's just start from here. Okay. Hey guys, I have used this bandage. Let me show you. I have used this bandage instead of tissue paper because it traces more than that tissue paper. Actually, it is more smoother and more useful than that tissue paper, and it does a great work. So I am using just this. You can use tissue paper instead of this. Okay, so let's do. थोड़ा सा ही बचा है, तो we will finish this work, and after that I will show you the final touch and final thing that will being made from this. Okay, and actually guys, if you have used permanent marker, then you don't have to worry about that it would mix with this black color. But instead, if you have used 8B pencil or watercolor sketches or black oil pastel, then you have to worry about that it would mix with these colors. Okay, actually the trace of this butterfly was black, but I have made this more colorful to look more greater. You can use black also, and I have given these nails a color. Instead, there was no color, it would be black only, but I have traced with the white pen. I will show you. You will get this at any stationery shop at a cost of 50, or you can buy it online at Amazon. But right now in this situation, lockdown situation, you can't get this from Amazon or Flipkart, so you will get it from stationery, and it will cost you around 50 rupees or 60 rupees. And for tracing very thin lines, I have used this black gel pen. And for coloring, I have used this permanent marker, and I have used this tape. You will get it at any medical shop. It was more broad, so I have cut it in between and used that as simple. Okay, so you can use it. And rather, I have thought of this. I was thinking about golden color, but the golden color isn't available right now, so I will use other orange color, dark orange color with a mixing of yellow color, pale yellow color, and then it will look like blonde. Actually, I was thinking about that, and we have to do some sidelines, and we have to give a permanent finish when it will be finished. Look guys, my permanent marker was finished yesterday, and today I have bought a new one, but due to the difference of that permanent markers, that were of cello and this is Luxor, there is a patching. You could see this, but when it would be finished from a long range, you can't see this. I will show it when it will be finished. Okay, so guys, let's do it. So guys, for rubbing this, you would have to find any video on YouTube, and otherwise I am showing you how to rub this, or how to mix these colors, or otherwise you can see any video, or if you want me how I have done this, and how to do this. And guys, this is my complete work that I have created in 2 days. So guys, if you like this, please like this video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and bye bye. And hope you like my drawing, and if you like this, I will be posting more. Okay, so guys, bye for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.